Stop wasting money. 7 habits holding you back. Hey everyone, it's Helen, and let's be real for a second. Money matters. We've all been there. That nagging feeling that our money's slipping through our fingers. Sometimes it's due to habits we form without even realizing their impact. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 common money-wasting habits that might be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. The brand name trap. We're bombarded with advertising, constantly telling us that we need the newest, the best, the most expensive, especially when it comes to brand names. But the truth is, in many cases, you can find similar quality for a fraction of the price. Challenge yourself to experiment with generic options for a month and see how much you can save. You might be surprised at the results, and you can put that extra money towards something you truly value. Dining out. A budget buster. Let's be honest, we all love going out to eat, but the cost of dining out, especially frequently, can put a serious dent in your budget. Try setting a realistic budget for dining out each month. Explore cooking more meals at home, meal prepping to save time, or even hosting potluck dinners with friends. The impulse buying implosion. Picture this. You're strolling through the mall, not really looking for anything specific, when suddenly a brightly colored display catches your eye. You this item, right? We've all been there. It's the allure of impulse buying. But here's the thing. Those spur-of-the-moment purchases often end up gathering dust on a shelf. One of the most effective strategies is to implement the 24-hour rule. If you see something you want, give yourself a full day to think it over. The high cost of bad habits. We all have our guilty pleasures, whether it's that daily latte, a pack of cigarettes, or a few drinks after work. But, these seemingly small indulgences can add up to a significant expense over time. Take smoking, for example. Not only is it detrimental to your health, but the financial cost is staggering. Imagine what you could do with that money if you were to quit smoking. By becoming more aware of these costs and finding healthier, more affordable alternatives, you can free up a significant amount of money and improve your overall well-being. Subscription service overload. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to accumulate a mountain of subscription services. While these services offer convenience and entertainment, it's easy to lose track of how much they're costing us each month. Take a close look at your bank statements and identify all of your recurring subscriptions. Are you actually using all of them regularly? Chances are there are a few you can live without. By being mindful of your subscriptions, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and keep more money in your pocket. The tech trap. Resisting the latest gadgets. New phones, laptops, and gadgets are released seemingly every month, each promising to be faster, sleeker, and more innovative than the last. But the truth is, constantly chasing the newest tech can drain your bank account faster than you can say, upgrade. Before you shell out for the latest gadget, ask yourself, do you really need it, or do you simply want it? By resisting the urge to constantly upgrade, you can save a significant amount of money and break free from the cycle of tech consumerism. The power of saving and investing. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is neglecting to save or invest their money. Even small contributions to a savings account or investment portfolio can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. The key is to start early and be consistent. There are countless resources available to help you get started with saving and investing, no matter your income level. So there you have it, 7 common money-wasting habits that could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Remember, financial awareness is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Start by reflecting on your own spending habits. Are there any areas where you could cut back or make smarter choices? Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in your future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and inspiration.